In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your inbox and notifications in ClickUp, ensuring you never miss a critical update, while also keeping those minor alerts from cluttering your workspace. First, let's explore the Inbox feature. To get started, you'll want to access it from the sidebar. This handy organization tool is divided into 4 distinct tabs. The first is the Important tab. Here, you'll find all the key alerts, such as mentions, assignments, and new comments. Essentially, anything that requires your immediate attention will show up in this section. Next, we have the Other tab. This captures less critical updates like status changes and watcher updates, information that's good to know but not vital for immediate action. Then there's the Snoozed tab, where you can store items that you'll need to revisit later. Finally, the Cleared tab holds your past notifications, accessible for up to 30 days, allowing you to go back and reference them if needed. Now, you might want to customize how your inbox appears. Fortunately, there's a Customize option symbolized by a little wrench icon. Through this, you can choose to show or hide the All tab, group notifications by date, or sort them by the newest first. You also have the option to define what gets classified as important, ensuring you see the stuff that really matters to you up front. Plus, you can choose your preferred display mode, whether it's full screen for more focus or inline for quick checks. For those looking to maximize efficiency, ClickUp offers several handy keyboard shortcuts. To jump straight to the Important tab, just hit Shift+I. To see the Other tab, press Shift+O. If you want to clear all notifications, Shift+E will do the trick. And if you need to snooze an item or mark it as unread, use Z and U, respectively. These shortcuts are real time savers once you get into the habit of using them. Next, let's fine-tune your notification channels. Click on your avatar at the top of the ClickUp window and then go to Notification Settings. Here, you can control where and how you receive notifications. The options include inbox, email, browser, desktop, and mobile, and you can set preferences for each channel. There's a range of modes to choose from. Default, which covers typical alerts like comments and assignments. Focused, which filters notifications to just the key actions such as assignments and mentions. Or for those who like to tailor every detail, there's the Custom option, where you can enable exactly what matters to you. Notifications can sometimes be overwhelming, so should you need a temporary break, you can always snooze alerts by simply changing your ClickUp status. With these adjustments, your ClickUp experience will be both efficient and streamlined, ensuring you're always on top of what matters most. So go ahead and set up your inbox and notifications to stay productive and